Good day, my brothers and sisters. Um, Last week we were able to look at how we can recover corrupted file, how we can recover corrupted file using file signatures. Today we shall look at how we can, what do you call it, extract important data from a file without making use of any software or any tool. That is what we are going to look at, how we can recover data from a file without any tool. On my desktop, I have this file. Let's try and then access its content. So let me open it, and you can see that the file is corrupted. Just look at it yourself. See, the file is corrupted, but then it contains some important information that I want to recover, and the information is just an image. It's just an image, but the question is, how will I recover the content of the image? How will I recover it? So I'll first of all open my hex editor. So I open my hex editor, and then I need to select the file. I need to go and then, so let me open the hex. This is the hex editor. So file, open. So I want to select, this is the corrupted file. So open. Now I've opened my file using the hex editor. So this is the content, that's the raw byte that makes up the file. Now the file contains an image, but what type of image does this file contain? Is it PNG, TIF, or JPG? We have several image extensions. Which of them does this particular file contain? That is a very big question. And how can we know? How can we know? So we can only know the type of image that is found in this file by doing trial and error. Of course, you know that we have so many image extensions, but then some of them are popularly known, or they are common. So let's try the common image extensions. Let's try with the common image extensions. So first of all, let's look at I have this file here. It contains, so this is a file that I downloaded from the internet. So you can see file signatures table. File signatures table. We are these, so you can see these are the files. These are the file extensions. This is their header information, and then this column represents the trailer or the footer. I will explain it, so you don't worry. So we want to extract what do you call it, image file. So let's try. We have two images here. We have JPG and then PNG. So let's try PNG first and see whether the file contains what, PNG. So we copy the header information. So we copy the first 8 characters. So copy. Then we open our hex editor. Then we go to search. We click on search, find, and then we put. So we paste whatever we got there. So hex values to search. Now look at the message that we are getting. Can't find. So it means our file doesn't contain what, this kind of image, because if the image is there, we would have seen it. So it means the file doesn't contain this kind of image. Let's try the next one. Okay, so I think we have file signatures here. Let me see. Control F, GIF. Okay, so GIF. So you see, this is the image extension, and then there's the header information. So let's copy this one too and see the first 8 characters. Copy, and then let's go into our heads editor, search, find. Let's delete the information here and then paste whatever we got there. Can't find, that means the file doesn't contain what the graphic interchange format to. That is not the type of image found in the file. So let's close this dialog box and then try what do you call it, the last one. I don't want us to do so many trial and error. So we have JPG, so JPG, from this table, this is hex signature, so this is the header information, JPG. So we copy this information, the header information. We open, search, find. Let's delete whatever is here and then paste the new one. So we have only 4 digits, 4 digits. So search. Now you see, so look at it carefully. So it's telling us that the type of image found in the corrupted file is what is JPG. That is why it has been able to what indicate the header information. So it's telling us that the image found in the corrupted file is what is JPG. And JPG, we come to here. Let's look at the bottom of the hex editor. We have the offset. So the offset is actually the position where the header information is what is found. So the offset is what 1445. So let's copy this figure. It's what 144F. It's caps out. So 144F, it seems here. So that is the header info. That is the position where the header is found. Now, right now, we have been able to see where the image starts from. But where does the image end? That is the footer or the trailer. So we need to find where the image, because we can't extract just the header information. In fact, we are not going to see any content in the image. So we need to find where the image starts and then ends so that we can copy the entire block. So now we need to look at we need to look at the footer information too. So we go back to our table, and our table tells us that this is the footer. This is the footer. This is the signature that identifies the footer. The footer, that is where the image ends. So we copy only this block. So we copy only this block. Copy, and then we come here. We go to search, find, and then let's delete whatever is here and then paste. So we paste this what do you call it, hexadecimal information there. Then we go to, now you can see it's also telling us that the footer is found at this position. So the footer is what is found at this part. This is the offset, so this is where the footer is also located. So we copy this information too. It's 3740. So we come here, we let me copy 3740. Okay, so right now we've seen where the image starts and then ends. Now we'll go to edit and then click select block. We want to copy the information from the header to the footer. So we go to edit and then we'll click select block. Now start offset. let's delete what is here. End of save. Okay, let's okay. So start offset, that is the position of what the header is, what 144F. So let's copy this one. That's the value we copied from the hex editor. So let's copy this information and then paste it here. Now the footer end offset, that is the footer position. So copy and then we paste the value there. So now let's click OK. So you see, after clicking OK, you see that it has what selected the entire block of what data from the header to where to the footer. Please, I believe you understand whatever we are doing. First of all, we computed the footer information. We're able to locate where the header starts from. After computing the header position, we were able to look at where the footer also the position of the footer, and then we copied the entire block of codes or data. Now that we have copied it, now that we have selected the block, let's copy. So you can just right click and then you click on copy, then you click file, new. Okay, then we go to edit, then click paste insert. Okay, so you just select okay, this operation changes the file size. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay, so this is the information. So our image starts from this position and then it ends here. So let's save it. So file, save as. We want to save it on desktop, so let's give it a name like file dot. It's a JPG. Okay, then let's click on save. So right now we have saved our file. Now let's go to desktop and see if we can identify our file there. So you see, this is the image found in the corrupted file. This is the image found in the corrupted file. So you see, the file is corrupted, but then the file is corrupted, but then we've been able to identify an image in the corrupted file. Thank you very much and stay blessed.
Foi inesquecível, ficou marcado, vai ficar marcado para toda a história do futebol. O Romário vinha saindo de impedimento, a bola passou, aí eu entrei com tudo. Disse, é agora, né? Aí logo em seguida veio o Romário, veio o Mazinho. Olhei para um lado, olhei para o outro, os dois fazendo a mesma coisa.